Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the files and permissions so nothing blocks the process. Download the TikTok video you want, then install a trusted live wallpaper app and give it storage and overlay access. This lets the app read and set videos. Once done, open the wallpaper app and choose the import or set from gallery option so your TikTok clip is available. Make sure your video length and format are compatible, because the app will convert or crop to fit your screen aspect ratio. Now you take the imported TikTok clip and customize how it appears on your lock screen. Import the file into the wallpaper app, then trim excess, mute audio if you prefer, and set a loop so the motion repeats smoothly. You should adjust crop and aspect ratio to avoid black bars. Many apps offer a device preset. Use that. Once you tweak speed and position, preview on a simulated lock screen. This confirms framing, motion, and battery impact before you commit to applying it. Finish by applying the live wallpaper specifically to the lock screen so your home setup stays unchanged. Tap Apply, choose Lock Screen, and then lock and wake your device to verify. If the wallpaper fails to display, make sure battery saver is off. The wallpaper app still has overlay and storage permission, and your lock screen allows live wallpapers. If problems persist, convert the video to MP4, reinstall the wallpaper app, or test another short clip. Those steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.